Promoting Daraz products on Facebook involves strategic advertising, engaging content, and leveraging the platform's features to reach a wider audience. Create a business page. Set up a dedicated business page for your Daraz products, ensuring it's complete with relevant details, attractive visuals, and a clear description of the products offered. Engaging content creation. Share high-quality images, videos, or carousel posts showcasing Daraz products. Craft compelling captions that highlight key features, benefits, and any special offers. Facebook ads. Utilize Facebook Ads Manager to create targeted ad campaigns. Use demographics, interests, and behaviors to reach potential buyers who match your product's target audience. Live shopping events. Host live shopping events or product demonstrations on Facebook Live. Engage with viewers, answer questions, and showcase the benefits of the Daraz products in real time. Customer reviews and testimonials. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and testimonials on your Facebook page. Positive feedback can build trust and influence potential buyers. Promotions and contests. Run promotions, discounts, or contests exclusive to your Facebook followers. This encourages engagement and can attract new customers. Community engagement. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and inquiries promptly. Foster a community by sharing user-generated content or testimonials. Analytical insights and optimization. Monitor Facebook Insights to track the performance of your posts and ads. Analyze data to refine your strategy and focus on content that drives the most engagement and conversions.